Igama lami ngisibuyile ngirepresenta i-Big 5. So sizobe sikhuluma thina nge-health equity. Then by definition, i-health equity is the fair and just opportunity for everyone to attain their highest level of health. Kusho kuthini lokho? Ukuthi sitreat-eke ngendlela lefanako in terms of gaining i-health angithi. And then thina sizobe sidiscuss-ke ukuthi etibhedlela or else ma-clinics local lakithi iyatholakala yini i-health equity or else bantu bayatreat-eka ngendlela lelinganako, right? And then sithena sidika deep sathola ukuthi iyalekha kahle kahle because kuya ngokuthi wealthy or else powerful kanganani. Cause most of the time uyafika e-clinic and you are 75, ne? And then the staff members back disrespect because unani awunamali wena. And then batreat umuntu lo powerful kunawo or else lo nemali than wena ngithi. Lo muntu uthola ukuthi mncane nesi una 22 una 25 she's 30 but utreat umuntu lona 75 ngathi inzanga yakhe like ekoko awukaboni le notes na ungena eminyango ithini ithi wena uhlala ngala uyabona bantu labadzala labanye abakhoni kufunza angithi exactly. And then number 2 kuyendeka kube nema accidents ne. Let's take a whole taxi ithole accident, and then if when you are not insured maybe by a company, it can be bo clientele, right? Bayakhona ukuthi lana lenishayise nabo khona lo yi1 uyayibhadala insurance ye clientele ukuthi nakashayisa yena bayeta kutomlanza ngehelicopter lapho immediately, but nini kufuna nimele ini ma road assistance, nimele ini ma ambulances ukuthi atonthatha lapho. And then lento leyo ingakhoza stress even though bongeke ufe ungafa ukuthi inzaba khona labamrescueishile and then nini banishiya khona lapho, right? And then bulletin number 3, which is last, it's lack of health determinants. So if usifika e-clinic ma health determinants kahle kahle sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngalendlela lenitreat-eka ngayo because ngingafika e-clinic maybe at 7 AM and then bathi i-clinic iyaqala ku-operate by 6:30, but then nini ntothi ngalo 7:30 loyo ke expect ekuthini okay nyalo sisiyaqala sesebenza and then lama staff members enanjani athona hayi thina sa etiyeni early in the morning bona ba etiyeni kuniphatha kanjani nini lokho ke kunga influencer lokho ukuthi okay ngcine senigula worse uyabona because seniya stresseka ngiyo ma health determinants lawo ke engitogcina lapho ke sibona.